My name is Ferdinand Souza and I'm here on behalf of Printo. We are a printing chain and we are now 30 plus stores across India. We have GST registrations in 6 states and we are at a growth phase, and somewhere around 2017 when we started looking at what are the options we could move from, because Tally was becoming kind of a bottleneck. So we have always looked at automating our processes as much as possible, and we actually had a Tally automation where we used to load our data on a daily basis using an Excel upload. But now with a multi-location and with the requirements of GST, this was starting to be a problem, because Tally, as we all know, the users of Tally among us might know that Tally has limitations in terms of speed, and when you take backups and when you restore the backups and data has to be loaded and has to be checked by auditors, we have to stop all the transactions that are being done in it. So coming to our intro to Zoho, we were first introduced to Zoho by a third party who was looking at integrating our processes using Zoho Creator actually. But when it didn't turn out well, we took on this project in-house around about 2018, and we spent close to a year in trying out. We also loaded a lot of our test data into Zoho, and it was a good learning experience, and we ran that for close to a year before we finally moved to Zoho in April 2019. So we've been on Zoho for close to 9 months now, 10 months running, and it has been a great experience. So our data load is primarily done by API. We use the Zoho API extensively. We load close to around 2000 plus transactions a day. This consists of around 2000 or so invoices, and around another which consists of 1000 invoices and around 1000 or so payments corresponding to those invoices. And we've not had any issues as such. We have close to around 50,000 transactions a month. The experience is good. We've had challenges with our accounting team who are used to the Tally way of working things, and often we have to handle accounting questions about how do you do a certain transaction. But in that regard, Zoho has been helping us with understanding how we move to a new way of looking at things and not necessarily the Tally way of looking at things. The great benefit we have with Zoho is that it has APIs for almost everything across the board. We are able to, and our general way of moving forward has been that when the transactions are few, we do them manually, but the moment they reach a certain size, and since our scale is not really the scale of big data, as you say, in the age of billions of transactions, we are able to make changes and quickly keep changing and adapting to them as and when necessary. So as few as maybe 100 transactions a day that somebody would have to do, we can now do by automation. So the other main point we were interested in was multi-location, and we moved to Zoho also because they promised they will be implementing a lot of features, and I'm happy to say that they have actually turned out the feature of multi-location, multi-GST, because currently we run 6 instances of Zoho Books, and it's great to hear that they have already rolled out this feature as promised to us. We are looking forward to using this and any other features that they will roll out. As far as regards the favorite features of Zoho, for me it is definitely that I'm able to automate essentially anything that has to be done in Zoho. For our accounts team, I'd say they have had to unlearn a bit of their, like I said, Tally, and but we are looking at changing into the Zoho way of operations, and that's our learning so far, and we are looking forward to continue with Zoho because it has been a great experience, and they have been very open and honest with us of what the software does, what it cannot do, what its limitations yet are, and definitely what are the requirements to going forward and keeping compliant with GST. They have been open with us of the way forward. So that's the experience right up to now. Okay, thank you.